Hey my G's, hey my G's, hey my G's, ba 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 ba. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Timz. Today we have been in Timz's kitchen. Today we are just hoying them. Hoy. But it's quick and easy recipes that I'm doing today. So in today's video, we are making something very quick, very simple. Let me show you my ingredients. These are the two ingredients that I will need for my recipe. Can you guys guess what I'm making today? With milk and lemon? Can you guess? Your girl is making homemade cream cheese. I've baked muffins, so I definitely will be needing some cream cheesy. Huh? Enjoy the ride, my G's. Enjoy the ride. This one is homemade. Alright, let's pour some milk. This was not supposed to happen, meaning my plate is too hot. Let's pour some milk in here. I think that should be enough. Let me get myself a spoon. Let's get this milk back here. And then you just continuously stir. Stir, stir, stir. I feel like I've been doing a lot of stirring today. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Let us stir till we get our milk all warmed up. We don't want it boiling. We just want it at a temperature where it is best for what I am about to do. Just keep stirring. Keep stirring. Let me put my lemons here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all three of them. Well, it's 1.5. I meant all 3 halves or not, but we'll see. Just keep stirring. Keep stirring. You'll know when it's the right time to put in your lemons. Just at that point when the milk is about to then yeah. But it's at a moderate temperature, so it doesn't need to get to that point. Alright, I think our milk is fine. Now I squeeze my lemon in. Make sure that you've taken out all the pips. You don't want to find yourself what just happened there now. But it's okay, I'm going to strain everything. But I would love to find that pip before this process happens. That's fine. There we go. Put. And you just stir. Just keep stirring. think that's enough lemon. You'll see the texture of the milk will change. The milk is gonna make like curds and all of those things where it looks like a masi, you know. When I just keep stirring. This is what I mean is going to happen. So just keep stirring. Keep stirring. There we go. This is what we wanted. Let me show you guys the texture. Don't know if you guys can see properly. This is what we wanted. We wanted this. So keep stirring until the water becomes yellowish. Then you'll know it's perfect. So my G's, this is what it ultimately becomes. I've drained all that water. I've taken out my lemon pip out. This is what we needed. So I'm going to let this cool down. Then I'll check you guys when it has cooled down for the next process. Alright my G's, as you guys can see, there's my boiled milk with lemon. Now I'm going to do the last step for the cream cheese. So let me pour it in this container. Let me just break it. Because we're making cream cheese, we want it all smooth. There we go. So there it is. Now we're just going to whisk it. I'm gonna add a bit of milk to it just to loosen it up, not a lot. That should be enough for now. Now let's whisk. Don't know if you guys are going to hear, but yeah, I don't need to talk in this process. I just need to whisk. Add a bit more milk. I also want to add a dash of my vanilla coffee syrup just to give it that vanilla flavor. Here we go. Let's pour our milk. Not a lot. Now let's whisk away. Let's pour the cream cheese out. This is the texture we wanted it to be. Timz homemade cream cheese. Trust you me. Let's taste the cream cheese. Ooh. It's the one.